What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's your guy, Frank the Tank, coming at you on this frigid January winter morning. So I'm on my way to get some new wheels and tires from F-150 Lightning. I'm a bit nervous because I love the way the stock setup rides. It's like an old school Cadillac. It's really nice. I'm gonna be going pretty big. I'm going 24-inch wheels, fuel, and I'm gonna be doing some 24-inch aggressive Nito grapplers. Wait, 305, 45, R22. Yeah, that's what they are. So if you're interested, you can look that setup up for your Lightning. Yeah, it's a nice looking setup. I'll post a little picture here in the video too, a similar one. But yeah, it should be nice. So let's see how it comes out. Let's go take a look. We are here. Bye-bye stock setup. Gonna miss you. Have a nice ride. Over here at Phantom Motorsports in Victorville, California. They do awesome work. It's a sick Raptor there. Alright, let's see how this comes out. Wow. She looks so good. Look at that. That lift looks awesome. That leveling kit. Wow. Freaking amazing. Sheesh, what a whole different look, huh? What do you think, babe? This was my Christmas present from my beautiful fiance. Thank you. They did an awesome job here. That looks freaking amazing. Yeah, my man right here at Phantom Motorsports, they freaking, man, I'm freaking beyond happy, man. Thank you guys. What'd you guys do exactly?
So basically we went with the 22x10, the fuel Riot, looking good, perfect offset, little level lift to finish her off. Now you're set, man, with the Nito Ridge grapplers.
Freaking amazing, man. Thank you guys,
Thank
brother.
you, brother. Appreciate it, man.
it.
Thank you, bro.
So happy with it.
Glad to hear that, bro.
Zoom in that thing again. Look at that. She's freaking batty now.
Yeah, that's...
Woo. Show truck, huh?
She's killer, bro.
I'm gonna call her the White Ranger.
She's killer, brother.
Yeah, that Raptor's pretty too, man. This came out so freaking good, bro.
I had that Bronco Raptor here earlier. Too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Man.
I wish I had your truck here at the time so I could take a picture.
Oh, yeah.
Line up right now.
Sheesh. So just freaking do what? A gold strip in there, you think?
Might be.
Bronze, I mean?
Oh, again, your picture.